Welcome to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna, and in today's guide, I'll walk you through a helpful and important feature: how to find the IMEI number from your mobile phone. The IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, is a unique 15-digit code assigned to every mobile device. It helps identify your phone on a mobile network and is especially useful if your device is lost or stolen. To quickly find your IMEI number, start by opening the Call app, the same app you use to make and receive calls. Once it opens, go to the dialer screen where you can enter numbers. Now, type the special code exactly as follows: *#06#. As soon as you finish typing the last hash symbol, the IMEI number will automatically appear on your screen. You don't need to press the call button. If your phone supports dual SIM cards, you may see two IMEI numbers displayed. You can also find your IMEI number by going to Settings, then open About Phone and go to Status menu to also see there. Thanks for tuning into Quantum Tech Lab. Stay connected for more smart, step-by-step tech tips.